Hello everyone, I've got this VW Touran and it's a 1.6 diesel, and all I've been doing lately is a lot of town driving, taking the kids to school, and that's about it. And what's happened is I've got that dreaded yellow sign there. As you can see, that's saying that the DPF is blocked and not working efficiently. And there was a bit of a clue because this morning when I was taking the boy to school, it was smoking out the back, and it was rather embarrassing, and there was a nasty smell as well. So there is an easy way to resolve this, because a good thing about this yellow sign, well done VW, is that it's a pre-warning. So all I need to do now is take this car for a good old long drive, long stretch on the motorway, and it should clear itself out. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Let's see what happens. Hope it works, or otherwise I'm going to look a bit silly, aren't I? So it's the day after that sign came on and I took it for a drive. I lost the footage at the end of that day to show. So it's the next day. So let's have a look if the fix has worked. Because quite often, if it hasn't worked properly, it will reappear the next day that you try it. So let's have a go. Let's turn the car on and hopefully... So wait for a couple of seconds for all the computers to work. Turn the car on. Starts first time. And there you have it. The lights turned off. Fantastic. Obviously my car's due a service, but as you can see, the DPF sign's not there anymore. Fantastic. Resolved for free. What a relief, eh? Hope that helped everyone. Do like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.